Chief Architect can be used to create detailed electrical, plumbing, and HVAC plans. As I begin, notice I'm using the electrical plan view that is set up for the electrical layers and default settings. To place outlets, I can begin with the Autoplace Outlets tool and click in a room. The program automatically places outlets the best it can for the room's layout. Notice the outlets in the kitchen here are GFCI, and they will be placed above the base cabinets. The outlets can be arranged in any configuration, and you can set the height off the floor. There are a number of electrical outlets in the library you can place directly to create a detailed electrical plan, as I have in this completed sample. For the lighting, I'll place a recessed can light. Then, with the multiple copy set at 54 inches, I'll make a few copies of the light. With the Centerline Dimension tool, I will click from one wall to the other to dimension the lights and then position them. With the electrical plan view, the dimension defaults are set to pick up only electrical and beyond the electrical layer. It's optimized to create an electrical plan. Now I'll place two switches on the wall and connect them using the Circuit tool. Notice that the switches automatically update to a three-way switch. There is a library of lights to choose from within the program and create an impressive rendering with shadows. Lights have specific properties for intensity, color, direction, and other settings that can produce realistic 3D views. With Chief Architect, you can visualize lighting for both daytime and nighttime views. You will find sun and seasonal light settings to enhance interior or exterior views, covered further in the 3D Models section of the video. Just as we created electrical information, plumbing and HVAC plans can be created using the tools within the program.